Oats are one of the healthiest grains. Gluten-free oats contain essential vitamins, minerals, fiber and antioxidants for the body. Research shows that oats and oatmeal have many health benefits. The main benefits of these benefits are weight loss, balancing blood sugar levels, and reducing the risk of heart disease. For this reason, we have prepared a guide on the oat and oatmeal benefits that athletes often have in their diet. What is oats and oatmeal? Oat, whose scientific name is Avena sativa, is a kind of grain. Oat grains are very robust and difficult to cook, so crushed and cut ones are generally preferred. Cooking these oats, which can be processed quickly, takes a short time and takes the porridge consistency. Oat, which is mostly consumed at breakfast, is cooked together with milk or water and made into porridge. In English, the concept they call oatmeal or porridge is porridge. Oats are also a cereal that joins cakes, brownies, snack bars, and other bakery products. Crunchy and oatmeal is also produced from oatmeal snacks. What are the benefits of oats? Oat has been the subject of many researches. It is a very important food. Below are the benefits you should know about oats. 1. Rich nutrient content. Being rich in nutrients, oats are a powerful source of carbohydrates and fiber. It is an important source of beta-glucan fibers. It also contains much more protein and fat than other grains. Oats are also rich in vitamins, minerals and herbal antioxidant components. Half a glass 78 grams of dry oats according to the recommended daily consumption. 2. Manganese 191%, phosphorus 41%, magnesium 34%, copper 24%, iron 20%, zinc 20%, folate 11%, vitamin B1 39%, vitamin B5 10%. It contains lower levels of calcium, potassium, vitamin B6 pyridoxine, and vitamin B3 niacin. In addition, 78 grams of dry oats contain 51 grams of carbohydrates, 13 grams of protein, 5 grams of fat and 8 grams of fiber, but despite these values, it is 303 calories. This information shows us that when we look at the calorie and content values, oats are one of the best cereals to eat. 2. It is a strong grain in terms of antioxidant. Oats are strong foods in terms of antioxidants and polyphenols, which are beneficial herbal ingredients. Among these antioxidants, the most remarkable is the avenanthromide antioxidants found almost exclusively in oats. Avenanthromide can help reduce blood pressure by increasing nitric oxide production in the body. Nitric oxide helps blood vessels to expand and blood flow to speed up easier. In addition, this antioxidant is thought to have an anti-inflammatory and itching reduction effect. Ferulic acid is another important antioxidant that is abundant in oats. 3. The amount of fiber called beta-glucan is excessive. Oats contain soluble fiber called beta-glucan. Beta-glucan dissolves in the intestines in water to get a sticky gel-like consistency. Among the benefits of beta-glucan are lowering bad cholesterol (LDL) and total cholesterol, balancing insulin sensitivity and lowering blood sugar levels. To increase the feeling of satiety, there is increasing the amount of bacteria on the digestive tract. 4. Oats can lower cholesterol levels. Oats can lower cholesterol levels and prevent LDL cholesterol from damaging the body. Heart conditions are one of the most common and dangerous diseases in the world, and one of the major causes of heart disease is high bad cholesterol values. Many studies have observed that beta-glucan fiber can lower both total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol values. The amount of beta-glucan cholesterol can provide the excretion of rich bile from the body, thereby reducing the level of circulating cholesterol in the blood. Cholesterol oxidation, which occurs when free radicals oxidants react with LDL, can be an important reason for the progression of heart diseases. This can cause inflammation in the arteries, damage tissues, and then increase the risk of diseases such as heart attacks and strokes. Antioxidant in oats. In one study 5. Oats may increase control of blood sugar levels. One of the diseases paired with high blood sugar values is type 2 diabetes. It is mostly caused by decreased insulin sensitivity. Oats can help lower blood sugar levels, especially in type 2 diabetes patients and overweight people. It can also increase insulin sensitivity. 6. Oats create strong feeling and can help weight loss. Porridge is not only a delicious breakfast, but also a hearty breakfast. Eating foods that will keep you full can prevent you from consuming extra calories, so you can get rid of gaining weight and start losing weight. Oats allow the food in your stomach to be digested slowly and in a long time and increases the feeling of beta-glucan satiety. It supports the release of PYY peptide, the beta-glucan toughness hormone. 7. Oats can be used for skin care. It is not a coincidence that many skin care products contain oatmeal ingredients. Manufacturers of these products often list finely ground oats as colloidal oatmeal. In 2003, the FDA, Food and Drug Administration, confirmed that colloidal oatmeal is a skin-protecting agent. However, there are older records of the fact that oats were used for skin problems such as irritated surface and itching. In addition, oat-based skin products can help improve symptoms of eczema. It should be noted that this type of oat care products are applied to the skin. 8. May reduce childhood asthma risk. Asthma is one of the most common chronic conditions in children. It is a disease associated with inflammation in the respiratory tract. Cough, shortness of breath and wheezing are among the most obvious symptoms, even if the same symptoms do not occur in every child. Introducing children to oats early can have a protective effect. One study reported that giving oats to babies before 6 months may be associated with a reduced risk of childhood asthma. 9. Oats can help relieve constipation by relieving digestion. Many people experience the problem of constipation from time to time. Especially older people can often have constipation. Irregular bowel movements cause difficult digestion and excretion. Laxatives are often used to relieve constipation in the elderly. However, they are also associated with poor quality of life and weight loss. Research shows that oat bran can help relieve constipation in the elderly. One study shows that the condition of 30 elderly patients who consumed soup or dessert containing oat bran for 12 weeks improved. In addition, 59% of these patients were able to completely stop using laxatives at the end of the 3-month study. 10. Considering all these benefits, oats contain benefits suitable for both athletes and the use of all ages. Oat can be enriched with ingredients such as various fruits, seeds and dairy products, and if consumed daily, it can help to get many nutrients beneficial for the body. In this way, you can feel more full, you can get the carbohydrate required for your energy, you will consume high-protein nutrients and digestion.